Hi.
Oh my god, you actually
Look at my
do.
hair. I look like an anime character. Hello, Lai. Bye. I might have to do these, but like make them so that they're up higher like that.
But yeah, that looks
so weird. Yeah. All right.
He can come in, yeah?
He can come in. Hey, buddy. This is my buddy. Oh, he's a good boy. He's the best boy. Okay. What's up, guys? I haven't been around in a while. Cheers to the new year. First video, 2021. Obviously, this looks ridiculous. Things are about to change because I started working and I have money now, kind of from time to time after bills are paid. You know, responsibility first, pay responsibly, work responsibly. New motto for the year. Everybody take this motto on. Also, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. And now I won't say it at the end, unless I do. But anyway, motto for the year. You ready for this? I thought of this week. Live hard, work hard, play hard. Meaning you live your life as a good person, you work as a very good employee, so you get to guilt-free play hard. However you want to. However you want to. I mean, unless you drink too much and you become mean to people, don't do that. Cat. But you know, if you want to eat chocolate pretzels every weekend with a 12-pack of waters, that's fine. I'm just saying. Not saying that's what I do. I'm just saying that's an example. Don't tell anybody. Okay, today, no, hold on, cat. Okay, so you're probably wondering why my hair looks like this. I'm gonna dye it. I'm gonna try to go platinum blonde. I'm doing it at home and I watched a video, so this is all legit. I know it's gonna work because I saw it on the internet. Wish me luck. I've paid so much money at salons throughout the years and I've only been left with, you know, pea-colored hair is a good way to describe it, and $100 less in my pocket. Like, how can you pay someone to give you platinum blonde hair and they literally leave you with 5 hours later pea-colored hair? Like, seriously? So I went to YouTube and we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this in 2 days. This is day 1. See you guys whenever we get started on this. I look like an anime character. Have I mentioned that? Trying to get Milo, let the cat in Li's room. Pop it over. You have to intentionally keep it there.
Wait a minute, then he starts scratching to get out.
Is he? What a jerk face. The cat was scratching to get in and he was immediately scratching to get out. Yeah. Work it up so it's up high. Then spin it. Oops, sorry. Hold on, hold it.
Hold it, Mike.
Back. Be a good minion. No, do it. No. Make like a cinnamon roll.
Close enough.
This is after day 1. Today is day 2, round 2. Wish me luck. No. Oh my gosh. It does kind of look gray. We should have put some, maybe not. I was gonna say, maybe we should put some toner on this spot so we actually got it. Accidentally got it. Dude, that looks cool.
It looks real cool.
I feel like the winter time. That looks good, TJ. You did a great job. Cool, man. Let's go show the kids. And I'm wearing my robe. I feel like a character from Christmas. Hey, look at it. Isn't it cool? white. Doesn't that make you think of snow? It makes me think of snow. I told you it wasn't going to be lavender yet today. I have to buy that stuff. This is stage 1, creating the canvas.
I thought yesterday was stage 1.
That
Turn
was
that way.
stage 1 of stage 1. Turn this way?
Yeah.
I'm going to stand in the kitchen.
Sure, yeah, go stand over there.
This is the white.
Oh! You got real bright in there. Yeah, turn. Oh, wow, Summer. Check it out. Cool.
Cool, man.
Yep.
I think it's neat. Now I'm going to go curl it.